We're here in the Arbor building on the banks of the River Thames in central London, and this is the first building of the Bankside Yards master plan. My name is Myles Burke. I'm an architect working with PLP Architecture, and we are a collective of London-based architects, designers and researchers. So Arbor is a next-generation office building. It's a workplace designed as a hub for interaction, creativity and inspiration in the heart of the city. In the post-COVID era, offices are no longer just about providing a place to work, but rather a place to foster meaningful and productive interactions between people. The building plays a vital role in shaping a 24-hour neighbourhood that blends work and city life, culture and technology, nature and art. The master plan consists of 8 buildings, 8 public RAM spaces and 14 existing historic brick arches. These are a reminder of the site's industrial heritage, which was an influence in the material selection for the building. So within the reception lobby, the exposed steel structure and the escalator are the dominant feature. So they frame this 11-metre high reception lobby. These elements are then set against a backdrop of light brickwork with the limestone floor of a similar tone. So we wanted to marry the industrial heritage and with a biophilic approach. So we used the softness and the warmth of the timber to enclose the space and welcome the users. So we worked with Gustafs and LSA to identify the linear rib product, which is a timber veneer on a gypsum core. And this is compliant with the fire safety requirements we had. And the backing board on which the ribs are mounted also helps with the acoustics of the space. We used the repeating linear geometry to conceal maintenance hatches and doors. And where possible, we added lighting to accentuate the reading of the timber, which adds to the feeling of warmth within the space. The horizontality and the kind of gives it a kind of a tactile quality. This like the hit and miss spacing of the ribs. Provides a sort of a level or scale of visual interest, I guess. You know, when you have beams and columns which are of a certain grander scale, and then something a bit finer within the composition.